Capricorn, the 10th sign in the zodiac, hypothetically drawn a line runs from 270 degrees to 300 degrees. Earthy, direction is south, it is female planet, and by caste it is Vaishya, the business class. It is nocturnal, powerful during the night, and the lord is Saturn. The symbol denoted by it is the crocodile and the face of a deer. Color is black. The appearance of the Capricornians as per the Vedic philosophy, they are tall, skinny, thin, little bent shoulders like an old man, walks very slow. The complexion not very fair, prominent nose, thick and long hairs, and also arms are proportionately longer than the legs, than the body. Personality traits: most practical, judicious, love to be prominent in the society, but very good second in command to the boss, always accept the advice given by others, good behavior, very talkative like a chatterbox, and abide by what the boss says. Sympathy, generosity. In the beginning of their life, they are allergic to the weather because of the lack of iron and the silver content in the body. They quickly fall sick. Saturn being the lord, if Capricornians are negative, then looks more than of their age. Bones problem, they get easily. Capricornians are very good farmers, very good contractors, builders. Any kind of work which requires more labor, they are very good at it. If intellectually strong, according to their chart, they become the judges also. Sometimes they become head of the department or head of the country also. Very passionate sign, loves their mother too much, and always have enmity with the father or father-like people. Advices they accept, but forcing advices they will never accept. Religiously, they are hypocrites. They believe, inner core of heart they don't believe. They will go to our religious sites out of fear, not out of love and respect. But even then they go. The sign Capricorn, its lord is Saturn. It denotes cautious, old man, thinker, representing bones and the bone marrow. Capricornians are very practical people. They never jump over the opportunities come to them until and unless they see it is within their limits. When it is within their limits, they will jump over it and take it very slowly. It's not that they are fearful, they are very brave in taking up any bigger ventures in life and very serious in their profession and their personal. You can't say they are fearful, but they love working hard than working smart. They fall in love with anybody who loves them. Without going into the details, they are very good friends, giving everything for them, never takes revenge. But if they are against anybody or they come to know that their emotions have been hurt or other person is taking advantage of their emotions, then they will never talk to them. They will never be rebellion, they will never retaliate, they will never harm anybody. Due to their practical approach, they are very methodical. They are big thinkers. They think to the micro analysis, go deep into the sea. But when they come to the earth, they relax and do their job. They are known as self-learners. When their age grows, they have sufficient experience to work of their own, with their own experience of life. They love studies, they love research, but go slow. Though they are practical, but they are motivated by the ambitions. And they always love to work hard unto their last power in the body or mind and expect the results as per their done work. They never expect any windfall to fall on them. They are wonderful partners, associates, life partners. They are very good friends, very meticulous, practical. Capricornians have the tremendous capabilities, face the blows of life. They come up with their hard work, with their thinking, with their practical approach, even if they fall in life. As per the denotion by the Saturn, they are very successful in the later half of their life. Due to the lanky body, they live long. Due to their sincerity to the work and thinking practically, their focus and concentration on their karma or the deeds is too much. After a long tedious work, they get success. And when they get success, they love to enjoy it for a longer time. As per the Western school of thought, the sun sign Capricorn runs from 22nd of December to 20th of January. And the sign they have given is goat. Goat is a very friendly animal, makes friends very good, loves to go in the herd, and very good story given by them. That's the race of a tortoise and a rabbit. They go slow, they plan, they reach tirelessly. Doesn't overestimate them. They have the capability to beat them with their patience, with their approach to achieve the target judiciously. And they never giggle, they never laugh on the enemies. They always love enemies. They have got the qualities of forgiveness, but when they take revenge, if you have seen the lovely goat, then she is furious but doesn't kill, shows anxiety, shows not happy with anybody. With their facial expressions and body language, they explain their miseries of life. As per the food of the goat, they eat what is hidden behind the thorns. So what they do, they can take up any tedious task without any hitch. Any smaller job in life, they are ready to do. They don't feel shy, though goat is a very shy animal. But when it comes to work, making friends, making party alive, they never feel shy. They never bother who is watching them. They never bother whether they are getting attention of the people or not. They enjoy themselves in their heart as they wish. Jealousy, frivolousness, laziness, carelessness are the killers for the Capricornians. Capricornians are very romantic. They never express their romance in words. They will express their romance in poems, songs, which they love to sing. Slow music, slow dance, and slow in the romance, but permanently, going deep into the heart. They love it. And they love the people also in the same way. And they want reciprocation. They always follow their ancestors. They always follow the path of ancestors. They are very good worshippers of their guardian angels. They love their country. They love their home, their homeland. Never loves to leave it. Instead of ruling, they love to be ruled, but peacefully. They can accept anybody's bossism, but you can rule them, but you can't beat them. You can't do injustice to them. They are ready to work hard, but you can't lash them. They can't work under the lashes. They become rebellion. They become then the persons who can overthrow a king. Jealousy is another negative trait of the Capricornians. If they see that their loved ones is equally loving someone else, it becomes intolerable for them. They go to shell them. Every human being born under every sign has got some weaknesses, and their weakness is their love and emotion. Capricornian men, tall, dark, handsome, shy, but inside, introvert. When it comes to love, they are very shy, of the opposite sex. But once it opens up. Then he is jovial, cutting jokes, trying to keep her happy as she can be. Capricornians are very good cook also. They reach to the heart of a woman through their belly, through their stomach. They love good atmosphere around, good fragrances. And what intoxicates them is a good poems and good music. If you want to gift them, give them a poem book or a good CD of good songs, slow, rhythmic, can listen and enjoy in the candlelight. Capricornians hate gambling. They don't go to the places where quick monies can be earned. But when they are at home with their children, they are like a child. Love to make them happy at any cost. As their life grows, their love and affection for the family also grows. Good lover of parents may live away, but always thinking about them, about the past and for their comforts. A loving Capricornian husband is very punctual. He's got a timing for everything, for eating, shopping, or going anywhere, even for the sex. If the time is gone, they won't love it. They are very practical, not miser, not spendthrift, very balanced men. Capricornian girls are very career-minded women. They work hard. They love to work even at a lower places. And working at a lower places, they work so hard, they reach to the top of the organization when their age grows. They are attractive, may not be fair complexion, but presentable woman, a nice voice, a good bass of the voice, good singers, good artists too, but working behind the camera. Sometimes Capricornian women I have seen very good writers too, because of their philosophical mind and patience and practical approach. Saturn being the Lord, their writings become matured before age. Capricornian bosses are difficult to understand. They are so powerful, they are so versatile that no employee can match their qualities. Once you try to match them, then the only quality of shyness and the jealousy in them, they will try to screw you. They will try to harm you. Instead of teaching you how to work more or perfectly, they will love to find mistakes in you. I don't think they will fire you at a very first instance, but gives you a number of chances to grow more.